The Australian magpie, a member of the Artemidae genus, is 14 to 17 inches in length and a robust feathered friend. That is, unless it's swooping season, and then the black and white beauty becomes a brazen blighter. Corduroy shorts will likely adorn a warm patch of amber as the bird targets one's eyes in bloody attacks. James Glindenman, 68, was flown to hospital for emergency surgery after being aggressively swooped in the Victorian town of Sale in 2020. James asked the bird, "How are you going, mate?" Things quickly turned ugly, according to James. He opened his lunchbox and the bird struck him in the face. James didn't drop his meal, which he thought was a mistake. The bird sat on the concrete watching him and then attacked again. It attacked the right side of his face with a fair bit of force, drawing blood. James was flown to the Royal Victorian Eye and Ear Hospital. After 2 hours surgery, thankfully, James made a full recovery. The ostrich of the Struthio genus is the largest flightless bird. They are found in large swathes of Africa. Adult males can grow up to 9 feet tall and run at over 43 miles an hour. Ostriches have powerful legs and only 2 toes, but the second toe has become like a hard hoof. Vicious attacks on humans can occur if the ostrich is feeling threatened. American music star Johnny Cash, who kept exotic animals, reported when encountering an aggressive ostrich, he swung out a stick, the bird dodged, kicked him, and if it were not for the musician's metal belt buckle, the blow would have cut his abdomen open and killed him. The cassowary of the genus Sasorius, native to the forests of New Guinea, northeastern Australia, stands between 5 and 6 feet, with the female sometimes standing up to 6 feet, 6, with brighter colours than the males. They behold an impressive sight. A claw exists on the second digit of the feet, ideally adapted to allow it to cut through vegetation as it runs through forest. At 5 inches long, the medial claw is particularly dangerous when the bird kicks people or other animals with its powerful legs. It can run at 30 miles an hour and jump 5 feet, so if you see one chasing you, you're likely to bestow brown in your slacks. On April the 5th, 2019, a 75-year-old Miami breeder of the large flightless bird fell into the closure. He made an emergency call to 911. Joshua Cruz of the Alachua County Sheriff's Office said the bird apparently attacked him and unfortunately he passed away in hospital. Still present in the forests of northeastern Australia, the double wattle cassowary lives off fruit and small vertebrates. A keratinous skin-covered casque on the head grows with age and is believed to amplify calls at very low frequency, so this dazzling bird can communicate through the dense rainforest. The second function is thought to protect the head of the cassowary as it charges through the rainforest. It is suggested if you catch sight of the cassowary to climb a tree immediately and make your own calls to emergency services while your brogues darken with feculence.